everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. My name is Jackie. I upload videos related with unboxing, travel, lifestyle, anything fun and worth sharing. So be sure to subscribe if you haven't yet. As you can see, I have two boxes in front of me, and we will do double unboxing from Hermes and Christian Louboutin. So this one is for my husband, it's not for me, but since like I mentioned, I do a lot of unboxing and as well as travel and lifestyle, so might as well share it with you all. This one right here, my husband ordered two, but it's exact the same item. So this is the other one. It's just different size because he doesn't know what size he needed. But let me just show you what it looks like in the shipping box. Christian Louboutin, the belt, this is belt, and they ship it like this. So, and this is the other belt. So I don't know what size is this one and the other one, but and the Hermes is a shoes. If you didn't know yet, I'm into handbags, and my husband, he's into luxury shoes and belts. So this is for him. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So the first thing we're gonna go unbox is this one right here. We'll move that shoes for now. And this is the Christian Louboutin. I don't know if I say that right. I hope I do, but check that out. Like, this is on the bottom, and it has this metal that looks like a spike, and you can pull it out. That's pretty cool. The box itself is really nice, and it has so much logo of the Christian Louboutin over here. This is the dust bag, and you have, I believe this is the tag, and this is what I will put it on the screen, what it's the name of the belt, that way if you want to check it out. And this is how they package it. They package it very well. So, and it looks like it's not even tried on. So it's a black belt, leather, it has black, and the inside is red. Just like my husband owned a few of his red bottom shoes, so I guess he wanted to match it. So this one is the buckle, that's red, and I believe this is more like a silver. Yeah, silver. So that's a pretty belt. And this size right here is size 40, and I believe the other one is probably size 38. So he ordered two of the belt because he doesn't know which one him will. He did order the smaller size, about 34 and 36. That one is a little bit short, so he ordered one size bigger. So he went ahead and ordered two, that way he can make sure that one of them fit, and then he will return one. So I'm not gonna take this plastic cover here at the buckle, that way just in case you need to send this one and keep the other ones. And I will try to put on the screen about the picture, that way you guys can see it better what it looks like. And let's move on to the Hermes shoes. And the Hermes shoes is actually his first Hermes shoes. He did own a few CL, LV, and Tom Ford, but this is his first Hermes shoes. And I will show you the package of the box, where they ship it, how they ship it. So this is the box, and you can see here it even says Hermes, and it has a cute logo here. It's cute because as soon as I open it, actually it was so nice for my husband to let me open it. He was excited about the shoes, but he wanted me to unbox it. So I'm the first one to actually see the shoes, and he's just waiting for me to unbox it. That way he can actually see it himself, admire it, think if, try it on if he likes it, if he need a bigger size. But when he ordered these shoes though, there's only two sizes available. If this doesn't fit him, that's it. he can order different size or different shoes with, you know, like the same shoes, different size, because when, like I mentioned, when he ordered this one, there's only 2 available size. One size, his size that he wore, and one size bigger, so that's probably sold out now. Go ahead and open this one, and then let me drop you guys, that way you can see the unboxing better. This is the receipt, and they got the return policy in the back, and then the inside is the printout copy receipt. And this one, with that sales tax included, it is $925.50. So it's, let's say, $951. So let's go ahead and open this. My husband is waiting in the bedroom, and he really wanted to see the shoes. And ooh, they package it well too. It's nice. I always wanted Hermes shoes, but I don't know, I'm just not really into shoes. I feel bad about wearing them and then stepping it on the ground, dirty ground. I'd rather have the purse, I guess. But anyway, so this is the extra lace of the shoes, so it's white. And I must say though that the quality of the dust bag is way better than any other luxury dust bag. I'm just saying, it's really nice. It's better than the Gucci, the YSL, or the LV. So this is luxurious. So, and this is the other bag, and yeah, the shoes is pretty. Look at this, that is pretty. And all of you that don't know yet, my husband's favorite color is red. It could be any shade of red, maroon, bright red, lighter red, like any color red. That's just his favorite color, and that really goes well on his skin tone. So yeah, my mother-in-law always give him compliment. But anyway, let's go back to the shoes. And so the bottom, you know how Christian Louboutin, they have the red bottom? I was like, what an amazing idea. Hermes stick to the orange color just like the backs, you know. And I thought it was amazing that they stick to like their color, which is orange, and you have the maroon or the burgundy color, and then another tone of different red color. And then on the stripe here, you have the yellow and the white. And then you have the navy blue. That is so cool. And then the stitching is white, or more like a silver. And this is such a gorgeous shoes. I was going to say a gorgeous bag, but this is such a gorgeous shoes. Let's get the other one. My husband is gonna go, he's gonna fall in love about this shoes. So this is the other shoes. That is just pretty. That's really pretty. I like it. I think it's gonna look good on him. And it has the Hermes logo. Let me see right here. It says Hermes logo right there, and it's made in Italy. And then you also have Hermes here in the very back. It's right there. Oh, my husband is gonna be in love with the shoes. But look at that. It's so pretty, you all. I think my husband would really like these shoes, and I love the bottom. The bottom is crazy pretty. It's insane. It's really pretty, and it's even so smooth. And I believe this whole shoes is leather. I would say though that it's a little bit heavier side. I think maybe because it's leather shoes. I'm just amazed how a nice quality the Hermes dust bag is really nice. My husband used his shoes, and he doesn't really put them on the dust bag. He just let it out in the closet. So I probably use this one to store some of my mini pouch, or you know, those this never full pouch didn't have their dust bag itself, so I'll probably use this one to store my never full pouches. I have 2 now, so this one will be perfect for each. Yeah, it's just amazing that the quality is really good. So the price of this one is just similar to the other luxury brand too, like LV or CL. They're like the same price, really the same as Gucci, LV, and CL. So I thought that this would be more expensive than the other brand, but I'm surprised that when my husband saw this, he told me about the price. I was kind of shocked because how pretty the shoes are, and Hermes, I feel like they are the top line of all the luxury, like, you know what I mean, of the luxury brand. And to think that they're almost the same price, it's just really shocking to me. But anyway, if you can hear, it's actually thundering right now, and it's kind of gloomy. Like I'm filming right where our living room, well, it's not really a living room anymore because we transformed this as a game room, but it might be echoey here because there's not much furniture, and there's a window and it's kind of gloomy, so hopefully this one is not too dark. And yeah, we're about to go to the gym. I'm gonna have to show my husband this before we go to the gym, and it's about to rain.
You get the idea.
Oh, let's look at the other one. That way you guys can see the other belt. So this is the other one here, and we have the receipt, and even on the receipt for this Christian Louboutin, it has that red shoe sole here. And then you have the red this is more like a bubble wrap, right, really. And then I love that Christian Louboutin really do package their items very well. I thought it was pretty cool that they have that spike there. So this is the same belt. They got their dust bag, you got your receipt. Oh, it's even got darker. I think it's because of the storm coming or passing by. But yeah, it's gonna be stormy tonight. But this is the other belt. They do package it the same. Let's see what size this one is, because the other one was size 40. Oh, this one is, the other one is 100/40. This one is 95/38 or /38. So, and then you have the same buckle, it's just red, and then black and red. So he's been losing weight. I just want to share with you, that's why he's been struggling finding the size, because he already ordered 2. I had to return it because it's not the right size. He ordered another 2 to see which size fit. The reason why, my husband has been trying to lose weight and he's been doing an amazing job, and that's why I'm not complaining that he's splurging, buying things like belt or shoes or clothes, just because it's like a reward that he loses so much weight. He started with 258 and now he's like around 202 or 204 somewhere, but he, in short, he lost about 56 pounds within 4 months, I believe, 4 or 5 months, I think. So that's an amazing journey of his weight loss journey. So I'm happy that he lose weight because I want him to live long and be healthy. And yeah, I'm okay with him buying stuff for himself to kind of, you know, it's different when you lose weight and you kind of dressed up to make you feel good, you know. It's just really nice, and I'm so happy for him because I saw his struggle losing weight, and I'm in that journey right now because I need to lose about 30 pounds. And so far I have lost 10 pounds. I have 20 more pounds to go. And yeah, I'm just so happy because it's not easy to lose that much, like 56 pounds. and I saw his struggle. I know how hard he worked for it, dieting, working out, trying to get as much as sleep while he's working. So yes, this is just a reward for himself, and I'm happy for him to actually reward himself, something to look forward to. And he still need to lose a few more pounds because he wanted to lose, he wanted to be at 200 pounds. I heard thunder, but he wanted to be at 200 pounds and then he will start bulking. He used to be a bodybuilder, so right now he's just more focusing on trying to get to 200 pounds. He has a few more pounds to go. We recently went to PCB and he gained a bit, like 10 pounds I think. So he has like maybe 8 pounds to lose before 200, and then he's gonna start bulking up, like bodybuilding, like body weight, you know, with muscle more. And yeah, so I go to the gym with him and we work out together. Right now we just got back from PCB and we have been trying to diet and watch our calorie intake. That way we lose pounds, at least 1 to 2 pounds a week. But anyway, besides that, this is an unboxing. It's not about a health this is not a health video or vlog, but I just wanted to share that this is more like a reward for himself. So anyway, this is the belt. He has to figure out which ones fit. Normally I think I would say that it would fit him the size 38, because right now he wore a size 34 or on jeans wise. So usually you have to go 1 size or 2 sizes bigger than your actual jeans size. So he's probably gonna have to keep the 38 because the 40 probably is too big for him. And when he lose more weight and become more lean, no more fat, you know, it's more like muscle, he'll probably fit well the 38. The 40 will be only good for a few months, and then a couple months, and then he will need to get a new belt. But I think it would be better for him to get the 38, because if you lose weight, it's still a perfect size for him. I really am excited for my husband to see this, because this is his first Hermes shoes, and I want to see his reaction to see the shoes and try it on. I'm really hoping that it works, because I believe it's sold out now and he will have no choice to either keep it and deal with whatever the size or return it. But anyway, it's getting darker and it's about to rain. We have to get ready to go to the gym. So thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. I highly appreciate it. I will truly appreciate it if you could give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what you think. Any comment related to what you're watching, or any video recommendation or advice. Anything, it could be anything, as long as it's related to unboxing or related to my channel, my content. So I really appreciate you, and thank you so much for being here and for clicking on this video and for watching till the end. And please subscribe, like, and comment, and help me share it to your friends and family. Thank you so much everyone for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.